Hey there. Have you ever come across some mind-blowing art? Well, get ready to be amazed because I want to show you this incredible chainsaw carving. To kick things off, the talented crafter starts with this massive trunk. It's hard to believe, but as they make those initial cuts, you can already see the shape of a bunny emerging. Can you imagine trying to do this with a saw? It takes a whole lot of skill, that's for sure. Watch closely as they use the saw to carefully cut out the rabbit's eyes. It's a delicate process, but this crafter makes it look easy. And then they use the same tool to carve out the nose and mouth. It's insane how they bring this wooden block to life. As the carving progresses, it starts to look incredibly realistic. Isn't it just fascinating how a simple piece of wood can be transformed into such a masterpiece? But we're not done yet. Next up, the crafter meticulously sands the surface, adding those finishing touches that really make it pop. We're almost there, and I have to say, this crafter truly deserves recognition for their incredible work. Take a good look at this masterpiece. It's hard to believe that all of this was created using a chainsaw. If you're as impressed as I am, don't forget to hit that like button and follow for more astonishing creations. Who knows what we'll discover next? Stay tuned!